Thousands of students appear for CLAT every year, and due to limited seats, only a few are able to make the cut. Acing the CLAT exam is not a difficult task if your preparation strategy and study plan is right. Watch the video till the end to crack the preparation code and learn tips to create your own CLAT study plan in order to successfully qualify the entrance exam. Let us discuss the top 10 tips that would come in handy while preparing a CLAT study plan. Tip number 1. Check out the entire syllabus and exam pattern of CLAT. Do not leave any topic unattended and note them down in a diary for future reference. We will require the subject-wise and topic-wise information while chalking out a study plan. Tip number 2. Instead of mindlessly browsing and picking up CLAT preparation books, do your research and decide early on about which books are the best. You can go for the books with a reliable publisher or author's name. You can also find out the toppers' recommendations and select those books for better results. Tip number 3. Count the total number of days remaining for the CLAT exam and distribute the topics and subjects to each day accordingly. As per the studies, a human brain tends to lose focus after an hour of uninterrupted attention. So instead of studying continuously, allot 5 to 10 minutes short break and 45 minutes to 1 hour long break between the study hours according to your convenience. It helps in keeping the brain fresh and focused. Tip number 4. You need to study for at least 8 to 10 hours a day to get a good score in the CLAT exam. Keep at least 1 or 2 hours aside every day to practice 20 to 30 sample questions of the topics you have covered that day. Tip number 5. While studying, always keep a notebook with you to jot down all the important information about topics that are likely to come in the exam. This saves you a lot of time while revising for CLAT, as instead of revisiting the entire concept, you can go through the highlights and revise the gist of the important topics. Tip number 6. Since you are the master of your own study plan, decide your productive hours beforehand. Some candidates are the night owl while others are the early bird. If you think you can grasp more information in the early morning hours, study the difficult subjects or topics during that time, as it helps in understanding them better. During your non-productive hours, you can go through the current affairs, reading comprehensions, or English grammar rules. You can also devote those hours in practicing mock tests, as these activities demand a comparatively less grasping power. Tip 7. Instead of overstuffing your study plan with rigid and unrealistic tasks, curate a doable timetable. Try to be consistent with your studies by sticking with the study plan daily. As you start practicing the timetable, you will find out your performance level and study stamina. Evaluate your requirements and modify or customize the study plan accordingly. Tip number 8. Try to understand the concept and its application before jumping into solving questions. Cover the entire syllabus and then solve as many last year's question papers and sample papers as you can. Evaluate your performance and identify your weak and strong areas. Devote more time to the weak areas and turn them into your strengths. Also, do not take these strong areas for granted. Keep practicing them simultaneously so that you do not lose touch with them. Tip 9. Keep the last few weeks aside for revision and make sure not to pick up anything new on those days. Try to cover the entire syllabus before the revision start so that no topic is left unattended or undiscovered. Tip number 10. In the race to score well and qualify the CLAT exam, do not take your health casually. Sleep for at least 8 hours a day and indulge in your favorite activities like playing cricket, meditation, dancing, etc. Do not bury your nose under a stack of books. Instead of it, try to maintain a proper balance of studies and break. Studying non-stop can exhaust your body, which can take a toll on your body and mind. Find out an hour or two for doing your favorite activities so that your mind remains fresh and focused. This was all about how to create your own timetable for CLAT. We have also curated a prototype of the CLAT study plan for you. It has been chalked out keeping in mind the expert tips and students' feedback. We did not allot a specific time to various subjects and topics so that you can do that keeping your daily routine in mind. Feel free to take a screenshot and make changes according to your convenience. Also, in case of any doubts or questions, drop them in the comment section below. To learn more preparation tips and strategies for CLAT, keep visiting our website www.collegedekho.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.